Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about double circular linked list in data structures. So in this, I'm going to discuss what is meant by a double circular linked list, different abstract data types like create, display, insert, delete, and search. So in this particular video, I'm going to discuss how this search function works in double circular linked list. Remaining create, display, insert, and delete, I already discussed in the previous videos. So please watch it before watching this video. Now let us see what is meant by a double circular linked list. In a double circular linked list, in a particular node, there will be three fields. The first field represents the address field, which stores the address of the previous corresponding node. The second field is the data field. It acts as an input variable. It can be of any format like integer, string, character, etc. The third field represents the address field, which stores the address of its next corresponding node. So in the double circular linked list, for the last node, the next link, that is third field, stores the address of the starting node, whereas for the starting node, the previous link or the first link stores the address of the last node. So this is the structure of the double circular linked list. Now let us look at the definition of the double circular linked list. A circular doubly linked list is a type of linked list where each node is connected to both its previous and next nodes, and the last node links back to the first node. This structure allows for efficient bidirectional traversal and looping through the list. Now let us look at the abstract data types. So in previous videos, I already discussed about create, display, insert, and delete. In this video, I'm going to display how searching works in double circular linked list. So the process is quite simple. First, we will scan the input element that is required to be searched. After that, we will compare that each element from the with the every element in the double circular linked list. So we will start from the starting node and compare the search element with the data in the each node. So if the element is matched, we will return the position and stop the searching. So if the element is not matched, we will move we will move to the next node and continue checking until we reach to the starting element again. So if we reach to the starting element, we will print that the element is not found. So this is the process of the searching in double circular linked list. Now let us understand clearly with the help of an example. So let us consider we have a double circular linked list of four elements 10, 30, 20 and 60. So after creating the double circular linked list, we will have two pointers start and last. So after creating the start pointer variable is assigned to the starting element and the last pointer variable is assigned to the last node. So to understand the process how the start and last pointer variables are assigned, please watch the create function video. So coming to the topic, if we want to search the element 20 in the given double circular linked list, so we will start with the starting node, which is element 10, and compare it with the 20. So both are not equal. So we will move the temp to the next node. Temp is equal to temp of nlink. So now temp reaches to the second node, which is 30. Now we will compare the temp of data with the element. So both are not equal. Again, we will traverse the temp. Temp is equal to temp of nlink. Now temp comes to the third node. Again, we will compare the temp of data with the element. So here both are equal. So we will return the position, that is position 2. So now let us look at the second case. If we want to find 50 in the given double circular linked list. So initially we will start with the starting node and assign a temporary variable to it. We will compare the temporary variable with the element. So we will traverse until we reach the starting element. So so if the element is not found, we will print that 50 is not found. So this is the process of the searching in the double circular linked list. Now let us write the C program of how search function works. So this is the C program of the double circular linked list. Initially, we defined the structure of this double circular linked list. It consists of three fields. The first field is the p link. The second field is the data field, and the third field is the nlink. So here p link stores the previous link address, nlink stores the next node address. So in the main function, we defined the functions create, display, insert, delete, and search. So this create, display, insert, delete functions I already explained in the previous videos. So please watch it if you want to watch. So coming to the search function, if the start is equal to null, we will display that the list is empty and return the function. So if start is not equal to null, we will assign a temporary variable to the starting node. After that, we will scan the input element that is required to be searched, and using do while loop, we will check whether the temp of data is equal to the input element, which is key. If so, we will print that the percentile d found the key value found at the particular position and increment the flag value. We will traverse the temporary variable so that to the next node, temp is equal to temp of nlink. So if the element is not found, the default flag value will be 0. So if flag is equal to 0, we will print that the element is not found. So this is how the search function works. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts regarding this double circular linked list, or if you want to provide any feedback, please comment below. Thank you for watching.